Hi, I'm Marcus Seven from Lulu Fitness, qualifying for Metcon Battlegrounds Rookie Division.
Weight is, pakita mo yung number. Ako na lang natin. Ako na. Dumbbell, 35. X-name.
Male bar, 45-pound barbell. And then we have 10 pounds on one side with 25 pounds on one side. Hang on. And then... Ay, dito na lang ba? 45 pounds. So this is 25 pounds first attempt. Same on the other side.
25 pounds first attempt on clean and jerk at 10-minute mark. Alright. Alright. Are you ready? I will start.
Kahit saan?
Kahit saan. Basta kita ka sa camera ko. Pag no camera show, no rep.
Bakit sinabi namin burpees ka?
Okay. 10?
Sige.
Kami. 10 seconds. Countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Diretso yung barbell.
Hinga lang. Last 10 seconds.
Burpee!
Stop.
Marunong magmat.
Hinga lang. Last one. Okay, pick it up.
30.
You are trying to snatch 155 yesterday, and now it's just clean.
34.
Hinga lang.
37.
Hinga lang. Hingi lang.
41, 42, 43, 44,
Use your legs pataas.
51, 52. Burpee!
Stop. 52 burpees.
52.
Titigil Mark, ha? Madami lang yan.
Up. Last one. Okay, pick it up. Use your legs. Italon mo pataas.
56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61,
Talon pataas. Talon na pataas.
66,
Yan, ganyan.
67,
Yan.
68. Burpee! 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 68.
Mark! Ganito mo yung burpee para makarami ka! Let's go, Mark! Battle team! Let's do it for F! For F! For century Cuda! Mark, down! Tapos ulit agad!
Ulat!
Talon na. Talon pataas. Talon.
70!
Talon.
21,
pa. Rest ka pa ng 2 minutes.
Kasi,
10 pa.
ayaw mo rat-ratin eh.
Humiga! Wag kang humiga!
Kailangan mo ng belt? Kailangan ba niya ng belt?
Yan.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
He's gonna need a lifter. Sa Buga Camping. Sa rookie division.
1 minute 20. Okay lang yan. Chok!
Liz, abot mo kayo, Chok.
Hindi siya mawala. Huwag kang aalis sa frame. Diyan ka lang sa frame.
Bawal ka umalis sa frame.
Abot mo yung chok sa kanya. Kami maglalagay. 1 minute. Madulas yung kamay niya. "45 seconds. Seconds. Ay, sige lang. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ayan. Let's go!
205, 205.
Boom, boom, boom!
Alright.
Sige, kaya niya yan. Kaya mo yan, kailangan mo maipasok yan, loko! Pre, gigi mo, hatakin mo, hatak! Up! Yes! Up! Ano ba? Kalma, kalma, kalma. Bakit kasi kinakabahan? Ben, dami mo pang time. 2:05 first attempt. Kaya mo yan, Mark! Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo, kaya mo yan. Look up! Chest out! Up! Jump! Up! Yes! Jerk! Hinga! Squeeze! Yes! Oh, fight lang, fight lang. Okay na, para mag-fight na. May dalawa. Wala mo yung
30 seconds! 30 seconds!
Mark, that's
Go, boy! 17!
17.